let's select a layer and free transform it. The keyboard shortcut is Command or Control T. If we grab a corner, the whole object resizes. Hold down Command or Control and we can move the corners individually. Enter or return to commit. If we do that again, we find that the bounding box and the artwork no longer line up. Escape to cancel, and let's undo. Right mouse click on the layer and convert it into a smart object. This now allows us to make non-destructive edits to the layer content. Repeat the process and we can happily transform those corners. I hope that helps. Catch you later.